Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft invalid session. It's easy if you want to fix this problem. First, just follow my steps, click here and then type control panel, and now click view by, make it small icons, then go to network and sharing center, and after that on zero here go to access type internet, and here we'll find internet or Wi-Fi. Click on it, properties, protocol internet version 4, properties, and here select used flow in the DNS server addresses, copy those numbers here and click OK. Now close it, and after that all you have to do, just type here background apps, and maybe you'll find it like that. If you find it like that, just turn off Minecraft launcher, and after that just restart your PC, and then your problem must be fixed. All you have to do, just try again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.